Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dabney Carroll-Grimsley, and I'm going to show you how to eat a Starburst appropriately. First of all, you want to be craving a nice juicy Starburst. Second of all, you go for your preferable flavor. I'm going to choose pink, okay? Step 3, you go to the side that has the 2 triangle flaps. Rotate it so that one of the flaps is pointing down. Step 4, you take your fingernail and you pull that flap up, okay? Step 5, rotate it the other way. Take your fingernail, pull that flap up. Uh-oh, this one's causing me some trouble. Okay, the next step is you have a line running down the center of it, and you're going to open each flap like a book. The right and now the left, okay? Be careful that your Starburst doesn't fall out the wrapper. Make sure you lay it flat so that that doesn't happen. And then you just take your 2 pincher fingers and you just lift it as so gently, and then you put it in your mouth and you start to chew until it's all the way dissolved. Be careful not to choke, because sometimes Starbursts get juicy. That's what they're supposed to do. And then you chew and then you swallow. And that's how you eat a Starburst.